The HTZSAFE driveway alarm system HTZS007 offers a robust solution for outdoor security with its impressive half-mile wireless transmission range. With a sensor range of 300 feet, this system ensures wide coverage and reliable detection. The solar-powered sensors eliminate the need for wiring and battery replacements, making installation quick and maintenance hassle-free. The system's weatherproof design, rated at IP66, ensures durability in harsh conditions like rain, fog, and snow. It is highly expandable, allowing up to 32 sensors to be connected to a single receiver, providing comprehensive property coverage. Featuring adjustable volume levels and 35 ringtones, the system allows you to customize alerts based on the location of detected motion.